YouTube is that you have to have the most subscribers to make the most money. And so people start to tend to think that because you have a lot of subscribers and the channels are really big, that they're gonna make more money. But that's actually far from the truth. The reason being is because the money is solely based on the amount of views that you are getting on your channel. So don't worry too much about the subscribers. Focus on getting as many views as possible.
Here's a YouTube hack to get more views on your videos fast. So TubeBuddy tells us that the first hour that your video is live is the most critical, followed by the next hour, etc. So the goal is to get as many high quality viewers to your video as soon as possible. Here's how to do that. Strategy number 1 is to go to reddit.com and find subreddit groups that are interested in the subject matter. Strategy number 2 is to type your niche into Facebook and then click on groups. Join all of these groups, be an active member in there, and share your videos. Don't spam these groups, but be an active member and provide value. And follow if you want more YouTube tips to grow your channel.